Welcome back to this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to hold an Instagram contest to gain more exposure. By the end of this video course, things that you'll learn are how to choose a proper contest type and using tools to manage your contest. Instagram contests are a great way to get people talking about your business and increase your followers. If you've ever thought of running Instagram contests, here are some great tools and tips to run a successful contest. If you're planning to run a promotion or contest on Instagram, you'll have to decide what type of contest to run, how it will operate, and how users can participate. Here are two different types of Instagram contests to consider. The first one would be comment on the post contest. This is a popular type of Instagram contest where you ask users to comment on your post. For example, you might ask the audiences to share their experience or story on the comment box, and you'll choose the most unique one to win. Another type of Instagram contest is to ask audiences to post their own photo. For this type of contest, you ask fans to post their own Instagram images along with the contest hashtag. Make it clear to fans which hashtag they should use to participate. And of course, your hashtag should be unique and extremely distinguishable. An exclusive contest hashtag makes it easier for you to find them and lets you know who's entering the contest. For example, Sephora is running an Instagram contest on Christmas, and they're giving out Kat Von D's lipstick. Fans are required to hashtag Kat Von D Sephora giveaway. This is how you make good use of a unique hashtag. Because Instagram has made it clear that they won't be associated with or help support any contests on the platform, all of the tools available for managing contests are from third-party companies. Here are two to consider. First up, let's take a look at 𝐒𝐿. 𝐒𝐿's contest platform makes it easy to host a contest on Instagram and comes with a ton of helpful features. The company boasts an average of 4 actions per user in their competitions. The interface is easy to use and straightforward, featuring a dashboard with current and scheduled competitions. It allows you to specify start and end dates for your contest, set terms and conditions, and add age restrictions. Additionally, you can offer other ways to participate, choose what actions users need to take, and specify the number of winners. 𝐒𝐿 allows you to place a widget on your blog to encourage users to enter the contest. You can also capture lead information from users, such as name and email address. Next up, 𝐻UBox offers hashtag photo sharing contests where you designate a specific hashtag fans must use. 𝐻UBox features cross-platform integration and it's mobile compatible. You have the option to set an age restriction, manually approve entries, limit the contest to 1 entry per customer, and collect valuable lead information. You can try 𝐻UBox for free. However, with upgraded plans starting at $30 a month, you'll get more features, including a higher participant threshold, more brand pages per account, and more apps and contests. Look, growing a business is never easy. You've got to have what it takes to make it happen. A determined mind, the amount of time spent, and the level of effort you've given will all be paid off at the end of the day. But most importantly, you got to have the passion and have faith in everything you do, not just for your business, but every single thing in your life does matter. Believe in what you can do. Brace yourself. You're ready to shine. All right, that's the end of the Instagram series for this video training course. Thanks for your attention, and I hope to see you again in my next video.